Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today I created this makeup look right here using this new baby, the Soft Glam by Anastasia. Love this palette. I completely fell in love with it. The shades are just beautiful. There's pigment. There is a little bit of fallout, but I'm not mad at it because the shades are super blendable and they're just so beautiful. And yeah, so I just created this look. This look just freaking screams spring 2018 for me. It's just like flowers blossoming everywhere and it's just so girly and I love it so much. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and give my video a thumbs up before you leave. And yeah, let's get on with the tutorial. Alright guys, so I already primed my eyelids using my NARS eyeshadow base primer. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow primers ever. If you have oily lids, I highly recommend this one right here. So let's get on with my shadow that I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to be trying out for the first time the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I got this in the mail by surprise the other day thanks to my husband. Very thankful. So I'm going to try this baby on today. So this is the palette. It looks like this. It's a very soft you know, suede material, just like the Subculture palette, the Prism palette, and the Renaissance palette. And in the back it just has, you know, the name, the ingredients, the names of the shades, and all of that fuzz. So when you open it up, it obviously has a mirror right there, and the palette looks like this. It's so pretty, very neutral, and a little pops of color here and there. And then it comes with a brush. These brushes are actually very nice, very handy. So this one is you know, a blending brush, and this is a packer brush for your eyeshadow. So very excited. I love this palette. Thank you, honey, if you're watching this video. Thank you so much for getting me this. I was definitely not expecting it. I was planning on getting it myself, but he beat me to it, so yes. Okay guys, so I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Tempera, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids, just so I can set that primer that I applied earlier and create a clean canvas. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. This one's called Orange Soda, and this is going to be my transition shade, and I'm just going to apply that right here. By the way, you guys, if you guys are interested on seeing how much fallout this palette has, it has quite a bit of fallout, but you know, I don't really get upset about fallout. As long as these shadows blend, I think I'm okay with fallout. And so far, I really like how they're blending. Using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade right here. This one's called Burnt Orange, and I'm going to apply that on my crease area, and then just blend it in with the Orange Soda shade. So next, just so I can deepen it up a little bit, I'm going to take these two shades and mix them up. This one is called Sienna, and then this one is called Rustic. So I'm just going to mix and match, and then just apply that on the corner and just kind of blend it out just so I can make it a little bit darker. Next, I'm going to go in with the brush that I used orange soda and burnt orange with, and I'm just going to go in with no product whatsoever, and I'm just going to go in and blend the edge just so it's seamlessly blended. I'm going to grab a little bit more of the shade Sienna, and I'm going to apply it a little tiny bit more on the outer corner, just so the color is a little bit more concentrated here, because that's what I kind of want. And I'm just going to pack that in right there. I don't know if you guys can tell, it kind of makes a little tiny bit of difference. So I'm just going to pack that, just kind of blend it with the shade. Just because I want, you know, a little tiny bit of smoke, but not like too much. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go in the middle, and I don't know if I should do this one right here. This one is called Fairy, or if I should go with this one, which is called Bronze. I'm just gonna go with this one. So I'm just gonna go in with the shade Bronze, and I'm gonna pack my brush, and then I'm just gonna go in and pack it in the middle. Oh my god, this shade is so beautiful, you guys. It's so beautiful, and I'm not even using concealer or Fix Plus or anything just to make it pop, and it's pretty out there. Like, it's pretty blinding. Really like this shade. I just kind of want to try it with Fix Plus just to see how intense it's gonna be, but I think I'm just gonna stay like this, and just because I want it to be like a subtle look, not like too crazy, because I'm not really doing anything today. So let me go ahead and clean up my under eye area, and then just clean up my shadow. Next, I'm going to do my eyeliner using my NYC liquid liner in black, which is again my favorite eyeliner ever. Just love this liner so much, so I'm gonna do that. Next, I'm going to take my maracuja oil. I'm just going to get a little tiny bit, and I'm just going to put it on my cheeks, because my cheeks really need a little bit of hydration. They're really dry. And I'm just going to apply that on my face. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take my Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer, and I'm going to prime my face. Just so I can have a nice clean canvas for my foundation. And I'm just gonna put it mainly right here. This is where I have like the most huge pores, and then whatever's rest, I'm just gonna apply that on the rest of my face. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape foundation. This is in the shade Light Medium Sand, by the way, if you're wondering. So I'm just gonna apply that. I'm gonna use this brush. I feel like this foundation is very light. It's not like completely full coverage like the concealer, as you guys can tell. Like that one right there, see, it's not covering a lot, but you know, I think it's a really good everyday foundation. So this foundation is definitely, I feel like, a medium coverage. It didn't cover up a lot of my redness around here, and then I have something going on right there, and it didn't really cover it. So I'm just gonna go in again and then just apply a little tiny bit more where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. And blend that out. So I'm just gonna put some over here because I could see a little volcano popping there. Next up, of course, I'm going to be using my Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm going to apply just a little tiny bit on my under eyes because my under eyes are always looking very horrible. They look horrendous. So I'm just going to apply that much. And I'm just going to blend it out with this Morphe E20. This is, I feel like, the perfect concealer brush ever. I love it so much. If I don't have a beauty blender or any type of beauty sponge, this is what I use. And I feel like it's just perfect for that. It's like perfect size. It's so soft, and I feel like it does a really good job blending it down there. So I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder just to set my under eyes, and I'm just going to take this cute Moda Brushes brush, and I'm just going to apply that down here just to kind of bake in a little bit, not too much, because I've been really digging the kind of dewy look lately. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face using my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I'm going to be using this Real Techniques brush. I love this brush. It's so cute. It's very feminine, and it's a powder brush. So if you guys, I believe they have them at Ulta, or you can get them at ulta.com. I highly recommend them. They're so soft and they're so beautiful. So for blush, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Blush Trio. This is in the shade Peachy Love, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix them all up and then just use that as my blush. And I'm just going to go in with a very light hand because these blushes are very pigmented, so you don't want to look like a clown. See, that just gives you like a nice peachy flush, which I love. This blush trio is one of my favorites ever, and I love it so much. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my Morphe R36 brush, and I'm going to actually spritz it a little bit with this Cover FX Illuminating Spray, just so I can kind of get that little wet look type of highlight. Oh, I just love Wet n Wild highlighters. They're so stinking pretty, and they're so like blinding. Look at that. Okay, so this is a time where I would apply my lashes, but I'm not going to be wearing lashes today. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on my mascara. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. But first, I'm just going to curl my lashes. So for the final step on my eyes, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of orange soda, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line, just so it's not too naked down there, you know. So finally for lips, I'm going to be using this Kylie liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Bare, And I'm just gonna apply this on my lips. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I really love this look. I feel like it's so fresh, it's so clean. It's like an everyday staple look. It's just perfect for spring, summer, and spring is like right around the corner. So I feel like this look is going to be a really nice just go-to. I think like this is going to be my go-to this year because it's so easy, it's so simple, and it's so just, I don't know, it just screams spring to me, like a flower blossoming in the air. I don't know, but yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up before you leave. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about this look. Let me know if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, what you would like to see next, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.